Hey there, good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Eats. Alright, today we're going to make some shrimp and linguini with a butter garlic sauce. This is some homemade butter garlic that I made up earlier. Alright, first of all, we're going to start out with seasoning the shrimp. I have here some cilantro, lime, salt and pepper, and a little bit of avocado oil, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Get that a good mixing through. Now, with this shrimp here, you don't have to get the raw shrimp and peel it and all that. You can certainly get the cooked shrimp and heat it up and do it yourself. That way. Good. Give it a little shot of this seasoning, because we can. Now on over to the skillet, and let's get these cooked up. Alright, onto the skillet here. Go ahead and turn the skillet on. And we'll put it on about medium heat. Alright, got the skillet on, about medium heat. We'll let that heat up a little bit. We'll give our shrimp another quick mixing through. Now this time, while the skillet's heating up, I have about 4 cups of water coming to a boil so we can cook our linguini. And we'll just let these cook through. So guys, real quick, I just want to talk here for a moment. I'm having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm at 604 subscribers right now. I'm not that far away. So I have a couple items I want to give away to 3 lucky subscribers. You got these. These are all brand new. This is for spatchcocking your chicken. These shears are really nice. Stainless steel. I have the temp spike from ThermoPro, and that is the dual Temp Spike Pro. Got that, and this is really nice. A set of really beautiful, I think, really beautiful carving knives. Got the fork. Nice little carving knife there. I haven't opened any of these up. I've checked them out, but I haven't opened them up. You got this one. That's a really nice carving knife there. Oh, put it in the right way. And then you got this bad boy here. This one is nice. You see them all the time in Japan, carving those fish up. And there you go. Your own fish knife. This is for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Very easy to enter. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, leave a comment in the box. Tell me which one you want, whether you want the knives, or you want the temp spike, or you want the shears, and I will pick 3 lucky contestants, or 3 lucky subscribers, to get this, the shears, or the temp spike. 1 each. That's for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Alright guys, keep on subscribing and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot, and God bless. Alright, so now that we had about a minute for these guys to soak in this hot water, go ahead and give them a good little stir. Make sure they're not clumping up together. I like to do anyway. Take a little bit more of that avocado oil. About a tablespoon. Just mix it through. It just helps them from sticking together and getting one big giant clump of noodles. That's about it. Just let these cook on through. You see the shrimp is cooking up nice. Okay, now the shrimp are done cooking. We're going to go ahead and take them out and transfer them over to a bowl here. Alright, so now that we transfer the shrimp into another container, put that to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to add that garlic herb butter that I made up earlier. Put that right in there. It's going to have a great flavor. Alright, and while that's doing that, I have here, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of milk in here. And to that milk, I'm going to add a little bit of, I think this is Parmesan, the Parmigiana. About that much. I have some look at this is Romano pepperoni, and the other one was Parmesan. All right, and take a little bit of that, give it a good mixing through, and there's your sauce. All right, shut the heat off on this. Check out how our noodles are doing here. I'm going to let these cook for another 5 more minutes, and then we'll put everything together. All right, here we go, folks. We got the shrimp all done. I went ahead and drained the noodles, and I'm going to put them right on in there, just like that. We're going to take that sauce I made. All right, just go ahead and pour that right over top of it. Don't miss any of that sauce. Just like that. And give this a good stirring through so everything gets touched with that cheese sauce, butter sauce, garlic sauce. Call it any kind of sauce you want to call it. I call it freaking good. Everything got touched. There you have it. One dish meal. And give you guys a good taste test on it. See how I did? Yeah, we did. That cilantro, lime, that we put on the shrimp, gives a nice little heat, along with the salt and pepper. And then right behind it, you get that garlic flavor with the rich butter, noodles. There you have it, guys. One meal, about 30 minutes to cook. You don't even have to go out and buy the frozen fresh shrimp. You can go out and buy the cooked shrimp already. Just put it in the pan, heat it up, do the same thing. 30 minutes. Got yourself a delicious, hearty meal. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you next time. Remember, happy eats.